In this video, I will show you how to fix could not find the recovery environment on Windows 10. The could not find the recovery environment error in Windows 10 usually occurs when the Windows recovery environment is disabled or missing. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to enable the recovery environment. Go ahead and open your command prompt as an administrator. On the command prompt, go ahead and type reagentc/info and press enter to check the status of Windows recovery environment. And as you can see, currently my Windows RE status is enabled, but if it is disabled, type reagentc/enable and press enter to enable it. Another thing that you can do is to create a recovery drive. On your device, go ahead and insert a USB flash drive, search for create a recovery drive in the start menu and follow the prompts to create one. So search for create a recovery drive on the start menu. Click on the create a recovery drive and a pop-up will pop on your screen, and that is where you can actually create a recovery drive. So use this drive to access recovery options. Third thing that you can do is to check for missing files. So if the winre.wim file is missing or corrupted, you may need to extract it from a Windows installation media or copy it from another system. And the last option that you have is to use installation media. If the above steps don't work, use a Windows installation media to repair or reset your system. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.